Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Vevor sent me a new product. Guys, I'm so excited because it's summer going on and we're gonna have a lot of cooking going on, guys. I travel a lot, but whenever I have the time off, I always make this time memorable for me and my family. Sometimes we go out on a restaurant, but most of the time I love to cook home, do a cookout outside, invited my sister and her children and my other friends. Guys, I love to spend times like that because those times, that's they call them memory. So we can always go back and to see the time you spent with family. It's priceless. Okay, guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay, guys, this video is in collaboration with Vevor that sent me this electric deep fryer. It's 24 liter. It's a large capacity, and guys, I really love it. As you can see, I'm doing the unboxing, and guys, it's a dual removable basket, up to 3000 watt stainless steel dual deep fryer for kitchen, restaurant, and commercial use. I really love it, guys. Very easy and simple to clean up, and all the component of this fryer is easy to lift, including the oil tank and everything. Guys, it has an adjustable heat setting. You are in charge, and guys, you don't have to use both if you don't want to, but it's optional. If you're doing large cooking, you can use both at the same time, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. And as you can see, it comes with a manual instruction that you can see, and you will know how to use the product. And guys, everything in it, the material is very good material. As I mentioned before, you don't have to use both of them if you don't want to, and because all of them, each of them come with separate tank, so it's very convenient. I really love it, the diversity to cook, the experience with two separate 9.1 quart tank. It's amazing. And the material, guys, I can stress enough, for the price, it's a very good material. This electric deep fryer, guys, has a coated touch handle, ensure comfortable use, while the well matched cover minimize the oil splash. Guys, it's a must-have. The link of everything will be in the description box down below. If you are looking for something like that, make sure to check it out, because for the summer going on and all the family gathering going to happen, so you will need something like that. It's aluminum, doable, dual tank, 9.1 quart tank, so you need it. And as I mentioned, you don't have to use both at the same time if you don't want to, but if you're doing large gathering, it's a good to have. And if you want to start your small business, you can do that. And guys, the material is very good. You cannot go wrong with the price. It seems like I'm going to have a cold around this time of the year. I always lose my voice, and I apologize for that, guys. If you made it this far to the video, I thank you so much. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review like today. I do clean with me, DIY. I do home decor. I do my hair. And if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. C'est la première fois, moi c'est ton bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille ou amis. Dans la vidéo, ça va montrer nous un deep fryer qui est vraiment bon. Si vous avez une idée pour commencer business ou la ka ou soit dans un restaurant, ça est vraiment utile parce que est vraiment powerful et puis il a une grosse capacité pour aider ou du moins la caillou ou du moins soit faire business. Et guys, je vais mettre link là dans la description, dans la boîte de description. So, si vous avez un bagage comme ça, make sure pour checker la boîte de description. Et si ce n'est pas la première fois, tout, je vous remercie un peu pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi, remets. As you can see, guys, it has a well-matched cover, minimizes hot oil splashes. The guard plate laying above the heating tube catches excess food, crumbs, and reduces messes. Guys, the temperature from 122 degree Fahrenheit to 392 degree Fahrenheit. It's very nice, and as you can see, the material very good. It's a must-have. Please check the description box down below if you're looking for something like this.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere.
Okay guys, let's start cooking your food. I'm going to make the kid favorites because guys, I'm so excited. Everybody's waiting. And it's so fun today with me cooking. I'm making my family favorite food. Guys, if you don't like the food that I'm cooking, that's fine. It's just I love to make food that I enjoy when I'm making the video for you guys. And as you can see, it's a dual tank, hold up to 9.1 quart of oil. Me, I really love my food submerged under the oil, so this is my preference. You can always put less oil, but me, I love my food to be like that. As you can see guys, the food is so crispy and it was very fast to make. And when you have family coming over, you cannot go wrong. Guys, my kid was very excited because I was able to just fry this thing 1, 2, 3. And you see the color, very nice and so crispy. Tastes so good. The link will be in the description box down below. If you want something like that, please check them out. With the summer coming on, family cooking out, family reunion, all the things, you're gonna need something like that.
I've been down, I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky, don't let me down.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.